Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. Today we are going to solve this question which says a birth control method among the following is option A IUDs, option B HIV, option C AIDS, option D IVF ET. So let us understand what is the meaning of this question. So let us understand the key terminologies. So they are talking about birth control methods. We have to choose one among these which is a birth control method. So first of all, what do you mean by birth control method? So as the name indicates, it is birth control. That means it avoids pregnancy. Okay. So these are the methods to avoid pregnancy. Avoid pregnancy. Okay. So these are the methods which are utilized so as to avoid pregnancy and so that the mother doesn't conceive, even if the parents, that is the mother and the father, they undergo coitus. Okay. So that is to avoid pregnancy. Now, there are several methods which are called as, intrauterine devices, or, there are certain methods, you can say birth control methods. So example, if you take, we have intrauterine devices, okay, which are used within the uterus of the female so that there is no fertilization or there is no, pregnancy. And apart from that, you have many other, like we have condoms in case of male and female, both. So there are two types of condoms for male and female. These are made up of latex. Again, this is used to avoid pregnancy. Then there are several pills which are, utilized to avoid pregnancy. So special types of pills are there, which are hormone based, and these are utilized to avoid pregnancy. Okay, pills. So these come in the form of capsules and tablets, etc. So these are some of the methods of birth control. And apart from that, there are certain surgical methods. Okay, surgical methods for birth control, where there is something called as, tubectomy, which is done in female, and vasectomy, which is done in male. Okay, so let us look at the option. Option A says IUDs. So what do you mean by IUDs? IUDs are nothing but the short form of intrauterine devices. So these are also called as IUDs, which are utilized for birth control. So hence option A is the correct answer. Option B says HIV, which is totally wrong because HIV means human immunodeficiency virus. Human immunodeficiency virus. Okay, it is a type of virus and it is not a birth control method. So human immunodeficiency virus, this cause actually AIDS, that is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. So that is ruled out. So option C says AIDS, that this is a syndrome. This is not a birth control method. So that is acquired immunodeficiency, which is actually caused by HIV. Then option D says that is IVF ET. Okay, it is a method of conceiving. That means it is a method of pregnancy in those couples who are not able to reproduce. Okay, so IVF is nothing but in vitro fertilization and embryo transfer. So IVF is what? IVF is nothing but in vitro fertilization, where the fertilization of the ovum is performed or it is carried out in the laboratory condition. Okay, so in vitro fertilization. And this is also ruled out because we are looking for birth control method. Hence, the correct option is what? The correct option is option A. Okay, so let us conclude the answer. The answer is option A, that is IUDs, that is intrauterine devices. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.